What's up you guys? Today I'm back at you with this video on this makeup look right here. I basically took you through what I do, like my go-to kind of products and like kind of my go-to look when it comes to like glam, or if I'm going somewhere and I want to look extra nice and I'm not just doing like my everyday makeup. Let me know if you want to see an updated makeup routine like for every day, like for work and stuff. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Alright, so here I'm priming my face with some Lancome primer, nothing special. Now I'm taking this Physicians Formula Argan Oil Primer and spraying it and then rubbing it into my skin a little bit. I'm going to do my brows now. I'm using the Benefit gel. But you'll see in a minute that I also use powder. I use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, the face one. I use the darkest shade and the lightest shade, and I go ahead and set my brows with that. And that just gives my brows a full look. Here you see me doing that. And yeah, I do my brows like this almost every single day. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with this L'Oreal stick, and then I go ahead and blend it out with a Morphe brush that I use for my concealer, and I go ahead and set it with that Shade and Light palette once again. I'm using a Morphe brush as well. See that lighter shade that isn't all the way worn through? I use that to set that primer. Now I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette. I go ahead with a fluffy brush and start with a transition shade. I use the two top colors at I mix them because they're both pretty neutral, and I just go ahead and build this up until I like it. And then I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush and take this dark burgundy shade and lightly build it up until I get it to my liking. And then I will go back with the previous brush with no additional product and just blend that out. And I go back and forth a couple times with that color, just to intensify it until I like it. Now I'm going in with this smaller brush and packing on the dark purple shade that almost looks black right on the outer corner, and like I said before, I build it until I like it, blend it out with my previous brush, and then go back in and just do the same motions over and over until I get the intensity I like. Right here you see me taking a flat definer brush and going in with a shimmery shade. It's the kind of purple cool toned color. I really like this because it's kind of purpley, but it's just a very lovely shimmery shade. And here I'm taking a flat definer brush and that black color and kind of lining my eyes with this to create kind of a liner look, but softer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and do top mascara to kind of finish off my upper eyelid. I use this Lancome mascara primer. It really does make a difference on days where I don't want to wear lashes. It makes my mascara look extra dramatic. Right now I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash. I don't have any complaints besides that it kind of stays wet, which is odd, and I do a couple layers of this on top of that primer. And now I'm using this Physicians Formula foundation. It's a really nice foundation. I love it. I got it couponing, and I can't even imagine how amazing. I couldn't even imagine how amazing foundation could be for this cheap. I'm using a Morphe brush to apply it. Now I'm going in and contouring. I'm using the darker shade with like the L'Oreal stick that I used for my eyelids to prime, and then I just use this Real Technique stippling brush to blend that out. I love this brush because it doesn't move the foundation underneath, and it still blends really well. Now I'm going in and color correcting that under eye with this Tarte CC cream. I got it on sale, so I don't know if they carry it anymore. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I love this stuff. It's cheap. I can get it couponing. And this tried and true Morphe brush. As you can see, I'm blending all those areas out first, and then I will go ahead and put it underneath my eye. And then I'll add a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape to that. Since this is so full coverage and it's a little too light for me, I like to add it with the Maybelline. Now I'm going to set everything, my face, my under eyes, everything with this Cocoa Powder Foundation from Too Faced. I like it because it doesn't accentuate my dry spots. Now, as you can see, my butter bronzer is really low, but this is Physicians Formula butter bronzer, and I just apply this in all the areas I cream contoured with. Now I'm going to go in with my Milani blush. This is the Romantic Rose. And now I'm going to highlight with a fan brush. This is Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill and Becca Cosmetics. It's my favorite. Now I'm going to set my brows. This is the Maybelline Great Lash, but it's the clear one. I use it sometimes to set my brows. Now to finish up the eyes, I go back in with that definer brush and a pencil brush and just use basically the same shades I used on my upper lid. Now I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes, and sometimes I will go ahead and put another coat on my upper lashes as well, but not today. I usually go for a pinky nude because it complements my skin tone the best. Now I go ahead and set. I love this Makeup Forever setting spray, but I will go ahead and set with anything. Alright, so that completes my video. I hope you guys liked doing my makeup with me. Had lots of trouble actually trying to film this because apparently my camera is broken. I think the lens inside is dirty or fogged up because it's been raining. I left it out, so it's been a challenge, but I got this video filmed for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys so much. Bye.